In this lecture, we'll learn how to install Java on our local laptop. Jenkins is a Java application and requires at least Java 7 to be installed on your local machine in order to run Jenkins. And it's recommended to install Java 8. First, let's verify if Java is installed on your laptop. Here, just launch a command line terminal, then type java-version. If you already have Java installed, this command would print out which version of Java is currently being used. If you don't have Java installed on your laptop or your Java version is older than 7, let's move on to install Java on your laptop. If you already have the desired Java version installed, you can skip to the second half of this lecture to configure Java home environment on your laptop. Here, we Google install Java SE. The third entry is the official website to download Oracle Java Development Kit. Just click the link. On the Java SE Development Kit downloads page, accept the license. Click the corresponding installer that matches your platform. Since I'm using Mac, I'll download the Mac installer. I'm fast-forwarding the video until the download is complete. Once the installer has downloaded, just run the installer and accept all defaults. Type your password to proceed. Now the download is complete. Next, we'll configure the Java Home Environment variable. Java Home Environment variable points to the installation path for the Java Development Kit, and it's required by other applications which uses Java. The steps to configure Java Home Environment variable vary depending on what operating system you are using. I'll be demoing how to configure Java Home Environment variable on Mac. If you're running Windows or a Linux machine, you need to follow the instruction on the next lecture. First, let's find out where Java is installed. On Mac, Java is usually installed under /library/java/Java virtual machines. Let's enter the directory. Then let's list what's under the directory. As you see, I have several different versions of Java installed on my laptop. Let's enter the one we just installed, which is JDK 1.8.0 101. Then enter contents, home. Now the current directory is the directory where Java is installed. Just do pwd and copy the path of current directory. Then open the .bash_profile file, which is usually under the home directory. This file is read and the commands in it are executed by bash every time you log into the system. The best part is that this file is specific to a user, so it won't affect other users on the same system by changing it. Here, let's export the environment variable Java Home to the path which we have just copied. Then just save the file. Now we're done with configuring Java Home. Next time, when you're logging in the system, the Java Home environment variable will be automatically set to our current Java installation path. That's it for this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it.